Major winter storm Kassandra is underway. Heavy snow is spreading across the southern plains today, with a severe weather event developing to the south. A swath of heavy snow is being forecasted from the southern plains up into the northeast over the next few days. Before we get into the details, I will ask that you consider subscribing if you enjoy the following presentation, so you don't miss out on more videos like this. This is roughly what the radar is looking like on Tuesday afternoon. Snow will continue spreading over northern Texas and Oklahoma this afternoon, as a very intense severe weather outbreak materializes in the south. Snow will shift into the Ozarks by the evening and nighttime hours, with severe storms advancing east. The heavy snowfall will increase in coverage as it heads north, reaching the Ohio Valley by late Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Widespread moderate to heavy snow will be occurring across the Ohio Valley and Great Lakes region as we go through Wednesday morning, with wintry precipitation quickly moving in the interior northeast. By Wednesday afternoon and evening, snow will be falling over the northeast and Ohio Valley, as the low-pressure system moves through Ohio and then exits into Canada. During the night on Wednesday, the majority of the snow will be present in the northeast, before moving out by late Thursday morning into the afternoon. These are the current weather alerts from the National Weather Service. In anticipation of widespread heavy snow, winter storm warnings have been issued from northern Texas up through the lower Great Lakes, and into the interior northeast. Numerous winter weather advisories are in effect for counties in the purple. Flood watches have also been issued for parts of southeast New England, due to the heavy rain expected with this system. We also have widespread wind advisories and even high wind warnings across the south, with widespread gusty winds between 40 to 60 miles per hour likely with the passage of this storm system. A tornado watch was also issued for parts of southeast Texas into southwest Louisiana on Tuesday afternoon. Moving on to the forecasted snow accumulations, we see that snow is still expected to fall from northern Texas to Maine as of Tuesday afternoon. The heaviest snowfall is still anticipated from the Ozarks in Arkansas and Missouri northward into far southeastern areas of lower Michigan. Another area of heavy snow is expected from central Pennsylvania into the entire state of Maine. After taking a look at the wintry side of things, let's briefly review the severe weather threat. An intense outbreak of severe storms is ongoing as this video was being created. In fact, a rare tornado emergency was issued for parts of the Houston, Texas area, as radar imagery showed a violent tornado on the ground near Deer Park and other locations in that area. We only expect to see more dangerous storms as we head into Tuesday evening and the nighttime hours, with the enhanced risk extending all the way into western areas of the Florida Panhandle. A few more strong tornadoes, damaging winds, and isolated large hail will remain threats. Severe storms will weaken somewhat as they head eastward on Wednesday, but the threat for damaging winds and isolated tornadoes will remain across the marginal and slight risk areas, which extend from the Gulf Coast to the Delmarva. And that concludes this brief update. If you enjoyed this weather forecast, please consider subscribing for more important weather information.